understand. Choking on the circumstance, only smoking secondhand. Cut us open, spread us out, dry us in the sand. Lay the fiber side by side and you'll begin to understand. I know it's over, I was born a choker. Nobody's coming for me, coming for me. I don't bother anyone, never make demands. Choking on the circumstance, self-sabotage is a sweet romance. Seems like all I'm worth is what I'm able to withstand. Sooner I can realize that pain is just the middleman. I know it's over, I was born a choker. Nobody's coming for me. I see no volunteers to co-sign on my fears. I'll sign on the line alone. Gonna change my circumstance. I know I need to move right now, 'cause I know it's over. I was born a choker. Nobody's coming for me. Only smoking secondhand. I know it's over. I was born a choker. Nobody's coming for me. Like a little splinter buried in your skin, someone else can carve it out, but when you've got the pin, it hurts a little less, and you can even push it further in. When your body's screaming out, trust your mind's listening. Like a silhouette that you can barely see, as a shadow casts upon the ground where you'll eventually lay forever. But the day goes on, the sun moves behind you, you get taller, bolder, stronger, and the rear view only blinds you.